Hi, this is Andrew Goodall from Nature's Image Photography, and I'm here to teach you how to take better photos. So, like many other people around the world, you've gone online looking for the secrets of better photography. And if you're like me, you're probably getting a little bit sick of seeing how much information is out there about how to edit and alter your pictures in Photoshop, but how little information there is on how to take a better photo in the first place. In my How I Took This Photo series of videos, I have one simple mission: to show you one of my favourite photos and tell you how I took it. The videos will be short but full of useful information. Just remember that every situation is a little different. The settings I show you in these videos are what I used on the day. But if you shoot a similar subject at a different time of day or in different weather conditions, your settings won't be exactly the same as mine. So use these short videos as a general guide only, and we're going to get along just fine. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to click subscribe before you go so you can take a look at each new video as they come online.